MNL48 Renee, and I am part of the 5th generation, and I am the penguin. Wink wink! Hello! Hello everybody. Ayan, tap the screen naman guys. Tap the screen. Tap the screen. Para para naman tayo ay may malaking engagement. Yes! How are you guys? Ayun. Hehe. Yes. Hi, guys. Yan, tap the screen, guys. Magpa 10k likes muna tayo bago ako mag-life update para sa inyo, guys. You're so beautiful. Thank you so much. Terima kasih. Wink, wink. Hello, Gamba Rene. Hello, hello. Hi, guys. Ayun, if you guys have any questions, just drop them in the comments. Ayun. Yes, just drop them in the chat if you guys have any questions. Pero if life update yan, pa 10k likes nyo naman muna. Pamain yung stuffed toy sa likod. No! You speak Indonesian? No, I only know how to say thank you in Indonesian. Ayun. Ikaw lang ang nag-iisang Oshi ko. Oy! Thank you. Sana all loyal sa Oshi. Ako lang ang Oshi mo. Pag ako lang Oshi mo, bawal ka nang lumipat sa iba, ha? Ayun. Ayun. Akin na lang yung penguin sa likod. No! Ayaw. That's mine. Siyempre, kahit nandito tayo kay official, mambabakad talaga ako. Nag-iisang Oshi, real or fake? Oh, no! Real. High note, please. Ayun, narinig nyo ba? What time is it there? It's around like 2:25 p.m. PM. Ayun. Amin na lang po yung naka-red na cute. Ay! Hello, Pigmenatics. Hello. It's been a long time, Commander. Yes. Oshi ka lang nila. Pasensya kami, Oshi, kasi kita. Kinilig ako doon! Kinilig ako doon. Ayun. Hi! Ayun! Naka 10k likes na tayo. Thank you guys so much. And, so, dahil naka 10k likes na tayo, ako ay mag-reveal ng kung ano ang nangyari sa aking buhay at bakit nga ba ako nawala or ba't nga ba ako nawala for like a while. What's your favorite song from my group? My favorite song, probably, dami kasi. Kayo, anong favorite song nyo? Dami kasi, no? Nugigiza ka. Wow! Ayun. Anong generation ko sa MNL48? I am part of the 5th generation po. And so, guys, dahil ako ay magre-reveal ng aking mga naging life experience this past month, I guess. Kayo mamili kung anong topic natin. Anong gusto nyong malaman kung ano nangyari. Are you graduating from your studies? Not yet. I still have a year to go. Actually, I still have a semester to go and then 2 more semesters to go. So, if you really think about it, di ba? Nice to meet you, Julia. Ayan. Hoy, hindi pwede yan. Let's be nice, guys. Let's all remember to be kind and to be nice and only to spread love. Spread love lang tayo. Wala na akong nails, guys, because hindi siya pwede sa aking course. Ayan. And because ang mga profs ko ay they love me very much. Sabi nila, can you please promote our program? Ano lang siya. Just for everybody's awareness, I am an occupational therapist. I'm currently studying occupational therapy. Ayun. So, what is occupational therapy? So, occupational therapists help our patients or our clients to not only regain independence in their daily activities that they find meaning in, pero of course, we ensure better quality care and better quality of life. Ayun. What is your favorite food? My favorite food. I have a lot of favorite foods, but I would say I like noodles and soup a lot. Ayun. Yes, Ram! Hello! Sinisigaw pangalan ko. Hello, hello. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Ram. May specialization ka sa mga kids with autism spectrum disorder. Occupational therapy is a very broad, it's a very broad profession because we don't only deal, thank you, Miracle. Ayun. So yes, actually we do a lot of stuff in OT. So it's not just physical, it's not just mental. We do everything, almost everything. Oh, you're welcome, Julia. Good afternoon, Halloween. Hello. Andito pala si Ate Mirai. Ate Mirai, konnichiwa. Hello, hello, hello. Wink, wink. Hello, wink, wink. So when ang live sa main mo? Ayaw nyo dito. Nakakapag-split ka na po. Huh? What do you mean? Bakit tinuruan? Siyempre, para makisabay siya sa amin, guys. Of course. Gusto namin dito, di ba? Ayaw nyo dito. Thank you sa pag-live. Alam mo ba, nanonood ako ng live mo habang naghihintay. Pagtigil sa pag-aayuno. Ano yung aayuno? What is that? Sorry. May lahi kang Japanese? Wala po. Yes. Fasting. Thank you. I don't know, like, Tagalog, some Tagalog words. Nahihirapan ako kasi I grew up speaking English. Talaga. As in, sabi ng mom ko, mag-English ka. Hindi ka magtatagalog for like, I don't know, 6 years of your life. Tapos pagpasok ko sa school, bumagsak ako sa Pilipino, kaya pinagtagalog na nila ako. Hi! Bakit po kayo nag-live sa official account? Ayaw nyo! Tapong ko na to. Hello, fans since 2020. Hello! Ay, 2,000? Grabe! Sa Bible mo lang makikita. Sorry. Amen. Norris, kahit kaming puro Tagalog, bagsak screen. Kamusta si Benavides? Siya pa rin, nakatayo pa ba siya sa tapat ng Plaza Mayor? Oo yata. Si Benavides ba yun? Hindi ba si Thomas Aquinas? Kamukha niyo po si MNL48 Rene. Oo nga na. Grabe. Hala, alam nyo, hindi na ako nakapag-live update, guys. Kasi hindi kayo namimili kung anong topic natin. Magta 20k likes na tayo. You're so pretty. Thank you. Terima kasih. Kamukha mo kami, Oshiko. Sino? Flashback to the campaign, nandito ka nagla-live. Yeah. Oo nga eh. Did you say Thomas Aquinas? Si Renee. Makati TMI. Okay. Ayun. 20k likes, Makati TMI. Kamusta ang day mo? My day is good. My day is great. Kasi nakausap ko kayo. Wow! Hi po, ano pong name niyo? So, my name is Renee. Please follow me on all my social media accounts. And of course, follow our official accounts. If you haven't followed us yet on TikTok, on Facebook, on Instagram, our official account is always MNL48 Official. And for me, my accounts are Renee, RENEE.MNL48 Official. So please follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, and follow me on Facebook then. I'm not that active on Facebook, but I'm going to try to be more active. Kabaka mo na si Shokot eh. Shoko Ieri! I love Shoko Ieri! Ayan. Yes. So my on Facebook, I am MNL48 Renee. On Instagram, I'm Renee.MNL48 Official. And on TikTok, I am also Renee.MNL48 Official. Please follow me on Instagram para magkaroon na tayo ng broadcast channel. Parang awa nyo. Kasi nakakahiya mag-post sa stories ng mga updates ko na parang para lang sa atin. Para sa atin lang. Kasi nakakaya naman broadcast sa buong channel. Makikita ni GM kung ano-ano pinagsasabi ko. Sige na. Sige na, please. Please. Ano bang kailangan gawin para i-follow nyo ako sa mga account ko? Kailangan po ba magpa-cute? Kailangan po ba magpa-cute? Kanta ka po, First Rabbit. Yaw. Ayan na. Ito na. Papakit na para i-follow nyo ko, guys. Wink, wink. No need na. Cute na po eh. Kita niyo ba yung mga TikTok ko? Like nyo naman. Like nyo naman ang mga TikTok ko. Ayun. Okay, so, Makati TMI. By the way, nagulan kami sa announcement kahapon. Okay, if you guys want clarifications, sige, recap lang natin. Unahin muna natin yung mga clarifications regarding yung live kagabi. Regarding yung live kagabi. Yun. So, please expect that we will be active once again in March, I believe. I believe that we will start to be more active in March. So, guys, please, abang-abang lang, konting tiis lang. Yes. We will start to be active more on our social medias again. So, yata! Yippee! 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 Ay, nag-live siya. Bawal ba? Kala mo, di siya pagod. Charot. Uy, may nakikita kong Gojo. Hi. Ayun, may nakita ko, nag-notif sa akin, may nag-follow sa akin. Thank you so much. What if i-follow nyo ko lahat? Nasaan si Chitan? Ito. Here's Chitan. Ayun si Chitan, oh. Chitan. Hello, naaano ako kasi wala akong nails. I feel so sad because I don't have nails. Kamusta ako? I've been okay. Okay naman. Mag-post ulit pero mag-post ng namagaang pisngi. Ganun ba? Ganito ba sinasabi niyo? Yun ba yung sinasabi niyo? Hindi ko maintindihan eh. Hello. Sakit ipin, post. Sakit. Napupuno na naman ang screenshot phone ko, boss. Grabe. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Parang hindi masakit pa. Okay lang, nakaupo naman. Nakaupo yan. Ayan. Hello, Zenokage. Hello. Guys, tap the screen and share the live. Yes. Para naman we can get more. We can get more viewers right now. Konnichiwa. May campaign ba ulit, guys? No, guys. We're just active right now. We are, kagaya nga sabi ko kagabi, we are so back, guys. Babalik na kami sa inyo. Nagbalikan! Kakainis. Crazy. We are so back, guys. So, yun. Abang-abang na lang to reiterate for the people who have not yet or kung hindi nyo pa nababalitaan from last night, or if you didn't come by earlier, like this afternoon, we are going to start to be more active again on our social medias starting this March. Palakpak naman kayo! Ba't di kayo pumapalakpak? Kailan mo na-release ng PFC 2026? Okay, guys. I know everybody's excited. Kasi ako rin naman, I'm super excited. Kasi gusto ko na makita kung ano yung ating kinalabasan. But please expect that it will be uploaded soon. Yes. Literal na everything is finished. Okay na talaga lahat. Okay na. I-upload na lang siya. So, abang-abang na lang, guys. Abang-abang. Diba? Okay. Okay. Ayan. Yeah.ちょっと待ってて。マニラから、フィリピンから。Ayan. Yes. Lalo kang gumanda. Salamat. Eh. すみません。フィリピンから来ました。名残坂？名残桜。Ayun. Are you still active in school? Of course I am. You can speak Korean pala. Ay, that was Japanese. Iba po ang Korean. What's your favorite Japanese word? Kawaii. Siyempre, because I am very kawaii. Geto! Asan? Asan? Turo mo! Where? Kawali. Gambate. Ayoko. Gusto ko gambare ni. Pero pwede rin. Gambatte ne. Gambare ni. Chotomate. Oo nga, no? Lagi ko sinasabi, chotomate. Like Australian Japanese. Chotomate. What is this called? Ate, nag-audition ka na ba in other gens? Yes. For those of you who are unfamiliar with my backstory, or if you don't know my backstory, I auditioned for MNL48 back in 2018. I was around 14 or 15 years old. Yes. And I auditioned for the first generation. I made it to the top 200, but unfortunately, I did not make it into top 75. So I got eliminated pretty early on. And then after that, I did some local indie idol stuff from 2019 to 2025, and then I auditioned for 5th Gen, and then I'm here. Ayon. Basta yung isang nail. I don't know if I should show it here sa official account. Ayun. Question is, alam mo na ba ang totoong meaning ng Renee? Ano ang totoong meaning ng Renee? Hala! May meaning pala yung pangalan ko. May meaning pala yun. Ayun. So, anyways, sige na. Na tayo. So, I do a segment on my solo lives on my account. Hindi sa official kasi minsan lang talaga ako mag-live sa aking personal account because this February has been very hectic For me, because, ayun. Anong tawag dito? Basta, school stuff. Yun na lang. School stuff. School stuff. Super saya ko. Number 2 ko sa PFC. Number 1 naman next time. Number 1 na next time, no? Number 1 na next time. Good luck sa studies mo. Thank you so much. Thank you. So, ayun. It's been very hectic for me sa, hashtag registered voter. It's been very hectic for me this February because my preliminary exams were here. Ang tawag ito? My preliminary exams are very hard. Ayun. So, doon muna tayo sa Makati. So, I went to Makati last Saturday and I walked around kasi I was on the hunt for a new perfume, guys. Kaso, wala rin ako nabiling perfume kasi ang cute naman, no? Thank you. Thank you sa coffee. Thank you sa coffee. Thank you sa kape. Pakape. Yuki Chiba! Hello! Okay, magsalita ng ganyan. I love Yuki Chiba. チーム友達、チーム友達、俺たち何？チーム友達、関西、関東、西、東、北、南、チーム友達。Perfume the Girl Group. Alam ko may balita sa kanila. But I forgot. But it was something. Alam niyo ba yung Love Live? Of course. Sino po pinaka-close mo sa 5th gen? Lahat sila. Everybody. I love everybody. Everyone in 5th gen is my sister. Sisters! Ayun. So, naghanap lang ako ng perfume nung Sabado. Kasi, ubos na yung perfume ko currently. Yeah. Ubos na yung current perfume ko. So, ang weird sa akin na lumalabas ng hindi nagpapabango, guys. Alam niyo ba yun? No. I was looking for different brand ng perfume. Bakit lahat kayo nanghihingi ng advice? Lahat kayo mag-idol? Totoo ba? Totoo ba? Lahat kayo mag-idol? Pero ayun. Thank you, guys. When you ask me stuff like that, it warms my heart. Kasi, ang tawag dito, I came from being an independent idol, and to see that people are being inspired by me now on a bigger platform, it really warms my heart. Kasi dati ako yung nanghihingi ng advice ng ganyan, and now that people are asking me for advice, it really warms my heart. Kasi alam niyo yun, talagang parang I can say na wow, nandito na ako sa stage na to na pinapangarap ko lang dati, and now I'm here. So ayun. Ayan. Hello. What else can I talk about? Napanood kita nun sa cosplay events. Masaya ako sa achievements mo. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Ayun. Nakita niyo ba yung TikTok ko? Follow niyo na kasi ako sa TikTok. Follow niyo na ako sa TikTok. And, ayun. When will the music video be released? The music video will be released soon, so please please have patience po, cause we're just dealing with a lot of stuff right now as well, and I hope that you guys can understand that ano lang kasi syempre may mga inasikaso din naman kami, like some internal thingamajigs, internal thingamajigs. So yun, I hope that you guys have some patience, konting patience lang guys. Ayun. Yes, may inayos lang po kami, pero the music video, everything related to PFC 2026 is done. I-upload na lang po siya. Minsan yun na yung nag-gaming live ka. Yes, on my solo account, I do gaming lives. Actually, binalak ko talagang mag-gaming live today, kaso I don't think I can because I have to do some stuff. Ayun. Okay, guys. Remember to spread love. Be kind to one another. Don't... Ayun. Share this live, guys. Share this live. Ano na lang. Ako na lang focusan nyo. Wag na kayo Don't spread any hate or anything like that, because that is not what we stand for. Konnichiwa! That is not what we stand for. We only spread love here. We only spread love and joy. Love, joy, hope. Love, joy, hope. Love, joy, hope tayo dito. Please share the live, guys. And heart. Pag nag 100k likes tayo, ano kayang pwedeng gawin? Kanta tayo? Kanta tayo na a cappella. Ano bang favorite nyo na kinakanta ko? Kaso kasi, I'm not really sure what we can sing. Kanta. Wait lang. Sige, hanap ako ng something. To sing. Kanta ko, you gotta go and sorry. Ano pa? Ano bang pwedeng song? Kantayin ko na lang yung kinanta ko sa audition ko ng 5th Gen, which is From the Start by Leve. Pero 100k likes nyo muna and share the live so that we can reach 100k likes. Tara! I followed you na po. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Subukan mo bang i-cover ang original na kanta ng JKT48 na... Okay, I will take your requests, guys. And if I'm not familiar with the songs, I'll try my best to learn them. I know na may utang pa ako sa Penguins and the MNLoves that watched my earliest streams na nag-promise ako nakakanta ako ng mga 48G songs and some J-pop songs as well, and maybe Annie songs. But life just got really hectic, guys. So I hope that you guys can understand that hindi lahat ng bagay ay nasusunod. Nothing is set in stone. So I hope that, you guys can give me a little, onti lang naman na parang, okay lang, naintindihan ko. Because life doesn't go the way we expect sometimes. Thank you guys so much. Please be patient. Yes. Thank you for following me. Thank you for the hearts. Thank you. Wink, wink. Wink, wink. Ganun ba yun? Yeah. Thank you for the heart, Carl. Thank you, Osama. Yay. We missed so much. Yeah. Ayun, do I tell you guys about my exams? Sige. 60K likes. Kakwento ko yung nangyari sa akin sa aking practical exams. Oo nga, no? Pero bakit sinira ni Gojo yung mga equipment na pang-open dun sa seal? The thing is, he didn't know that he was gonna be sealed. Hindi naman niya alam. All he knows is that he has to fight. Okay? Hindi naman niya alam na masisil siya. Thank you. What's my major? My major is occupational therapy. Yes. Thank you po sa mga nagsasend ng treasure box, guys. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Hyuno. Thank you. Hello, Nori. Konnichiwa. Yes, my major is quite hard, but of course, you do what you gotta do. Wala namang madali sa buhay. Wala namang madali sa buhay kundi matulog at huminga at kumain. Minsan nga mahirap pang kumain. Kasi kumari pag may sakit ka, hirap lumunok. Like, ouch. Diba? Ang mga pinakamadaling gawin sa buhay ay huminga, matulog, kumain. When did you start? I started going to university in 2021. Magsilpon. Madali lang magpakit po. Okay, madali lang talaga magpakit. Natural eyes po ba yan or contacts? Ito, natural po. Sorry. I'm an irregular student. Sabi nyo kasi, gusto nyo makita kung naka-contacts ako or hindi. Ayan, oo. Okay na ba? Nanggugulat. Samahan ng It's okay to be irregular, guys. Is being an irregular student hard? It is, if you are bad at socializing. But, I will say, of course, syempre, all things with hard work, you can get over. Ganda ng eyes mo, may limitless curse technique ka ba? Wala. 6 eyes lang. Ireg here pero lumalaban pa rin. Tama, guys. Laban lang. Kasi lahat tayo makakaraos. Basta mairaos nyo yan, okay na. Everybody has different goals. Pero kung isipin mo kung ireg ka, tapos ang plano mo ay magkaroon ng Latin honors. I'm not really sure. Does it work like that? Pwede ka pa rin ba maging Latin honors kahit ireg ka? I'm not really sure. Maybe for my university, hindi ko lang talaga sure. Kasi, goal ko naman talaga dati maging Latin honor student. But then, I quickly realized that you don't have to sacrifice much of yourself. You don't have to sacrifice yourself for something na ganun lang yung title. Kung kaya mo, kayanin mo. Pero yeah, parang just know that life is not that serious. Just have fun. Thank you for the roses, Francis. Yes. Life should be fun. So, have fun and enjoy your life. Don't focus on the things that make you miserable or stuff like that. Or, baka naman tingin nyo miserable kayo kasi you work hard and wala na kayong pahinga. If you're the type of person who believes that your hard work will be fruitful, go all for it. Pero kung tingin nyo ay wala namang pupuntahan ng inyong hard work, just step back, relax, smell the flowers every once in a while. Yun.